Hello guys, welcome to Createch. In this video, we are going to make a all-terrain bot which can perform well in off-road pits and slopes. And here it is. We are going to make this little bot which is under a dimension of 28 cross 18 cross and 8 centimeters. Here are the things needed to build the bot: a side shaft motor which is 300 rpm, DPDT switches and wires, some clamps, nuts and bolts, a 12-volt lead acid accumulator battery, metal sheet which is a thickness of 0.2 mm, and two pairs of wheels. I'll give the link of all the components in the description below. This is a metal sheet and this is a thickness around 0.2 mm. I purchased this in a local metal sheet shop and you can get it in nearby your areas and the cost is considerable. And in this metal sheet I made a chassis and all the bends and cuts are done by a machine. And in this case I have visited some shops of lathe work and gave my dimensions and I got this one perfectly. And here is a side shaft motor. This is typically a B grade motor, and the difference between the A grade motor and the B grade motors are the torque efficiency and the rate. But A grade motor is much better than these and it's costlier too. And when you are making this bot for a competition purpose, then I recommend to choose a A grade Johnson motor. Okay guys, let's start the build. Okay guys, now I have assembled the motor to the chassis and fixed the wheels to the shaft of the motor. And now comes the electrical part, where we need to connect these DPDT switches to the motors. And in terms of saying in words, I'll drop down the circuit diagram of the switch wiring in the video description. And the tips for making the perfect watt is don't use a center shaft motor because it doesn't give more torque and it will not be more efficient as these side shaft motor. And the next major thing is the power source and use a high amp battery so that the battery life will be long and it will not drain while running in the pit during the competition. This is a competition where you can see the bot which I have built in this video. I have a lot of experience in failure. Like in the first attempt, I used a normal center shaft motors which I thought it will be perfect for these terrains, but it's not that much as effective during the competition. And these side shaft motors are so effective with which you can race well and give a tough to the competitors. Okay guys, enjoy the video. I'll catch you in the next video guys, and I hope you liked the last series of the cat ear design which I posted in the before weeks. If any project which I need to make it real project, comment your thoughts in the comment section and I will definitely try to do that project and post it as a video. Thanks for your support guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.